Just like whole numbers, rational numbers can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. Suppose you eat 2/5 of a pizza and your friend eats 1/5. Together that is 2/5 plus 1/5 is equals to 3/5 of a pizza. But what if the pieces aren't the same? You ate 1/3 of a dosa and your cousin ate 1/4. So how do we fix that? We find a common denominator. Convert 1/3 is equals to 4/12 and 1/4 is equals to 3/12. Now we add both the rational numbers. 4/12 plus 3/12 gives us 7/12. So you have eaten 7/12 of the dosa together. Now coming to subtraction, say you have 3/4 of a chocolate bar and you ate half of the bar. How much is left? For that we find a common base. So 3/4 will be converted to 6/8 and half will be converted to 4/8. Now we subtract. 6/8 minus 4/8 will be equals to 2/8 and that is equals to 1/4. So you are left with 1/4 of the chocolate bar. Now let us imagine that your mom's making dal and the recipe needs 2/3 cup of dal per person. But she is cooking for half a person, maybe a kid. So what she does? She multiplies half with 2/3 and that gives us 1/3 cup of dal. Multiply top with top and bottom with bottom. Simple. Now suppose you have 2/3 liter of juice and each glass holds 1/4 liter. So how many glasses can you fill? Here's the trick. We keep the first number, flip the second and then multiply. 2/3 divided by 1/4 will be 2/3 multiplied by 4/1. That gives us 8/3. That means you can fill 2 full glasses and still have enough for 2/3 of another. This was all about operations on rational numbers. Now let's look at the number line. 0 is in the middle. To the right, we have positive numbers like 4/5. To the left, we have negative numbers like minus 2/7. And rational numbers fit neatly between whole numbers. Let's plot 7/4 on the number line. Step 1 is we divide. 7 divided by 4 gives us 1.75. So it lies between 1 and 2. In step 2, we divide the space between the whole numbers into 4 equal parts. Why 4? Because the denominator is 4. Since the numerator is 7, we count 7 steps from 0. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, all the way to 7/4. Now let us plot a negative rational number, say minus 5/3. When we divide minus 5 by 3, we see that it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Divide the space between negative whole numbers into 3 parts. Count 5 steps to the left of 0 and that is our point, minus 5/3. Do you know between any two rational numbers, there are infinite others? Let us find the rational numbers between two rational numbers which has the same denominator. Between 2/5 and 4/5, we clearly see 3/5. But what if the denominators are different? Let's try between 1/3 and 1/2. The first step is to find the common base. And the common denominator between 3 and 2 is 6. The second step is to convert the fractions. 1/3 can be converted into 2 over 6 by multiplying 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. In the same way, we convert 1 over 2 to 3 over 6 by multiplying 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. Now, visually looking at 2/6 and 3/6, we cannot say what lies in between them. So, what we can do is we can multiply both the fractions in the numerator and in the denominator by another number, say 5 or 10. In this case, we multiply both by 5. So 2/6 gets converted into 10 over 30 and 3/6 gets converted into 15 over 30. What's in between these two numbers? 11 over 30, 12 over 30, 13 over 30 and 14 over 30. So in this way, we can find many rational numbers between any two.